It's a little bit windy. See if hopefully my mic's doing its job there. I'm out here with my Rossi 92 20-inch stainless steel. I'm going to be testing some loads here. The first one, I'm going to fire 2 rounds of this hand load. This is a 125 grain powder coated lead cast bullet. This is a really light load. And then I'm going to fire some factory 357 ammo. This is a 158 grain semi-jacketed hollow point, just to show the difference in ammo. All right, let's see how we do here. And I completely missed. You can see the difference is quite significant in the loads. Just trying to get the sights dialed in for this load a little bit. Not quite as much fun single loading, but here's how you can't find brass right now. Do what you gotta do. Alright, so I think I'm okay. Let's try this 90. Alright, so I've got a target out there at about 95 yards. It's a 60% IPSC torso, which is 11 by 19 or something like that. So I don't know how well this is going to do. It's a really light load. It drops quite a bit. Let's just sling a couple out there and see how we do. This is a 125 grain powder coated bullet with 3 grains of Trail Boss. Definitely subsonic from the sounds of it. That's it. Well, a couple hits. I had to aim a little high. This is such a fun little rifle. I am so glad I bought this. And I'm actually really glad that the carbine model wasn't around. Actually, I missed my opportunity at one, but I found 2 of these in the 20-inch, blued and the stainless, and I snagged the stainless because I have a tendency to spend a lot of time out in the foul weather. So yeah, that's all right. You can kind of have a snack at the time it takes for this little light load to get out there at that range. Nice. As a comparison to that 3 grain Trail Boss load, I'm going to run some factory 357 ammo. This is 158 grain semi-jacketed hollow point ammo. I'm going to fire a couple of these down there just to compare to those light loads. Now I should be able to run these just straight aim. Yeah, that shot a little high. Yeah, I should have aimed at the bottom of the target. Both those shots went over. Let me get I'll get a couple more. I'll aim at the bottom of the target. I have the sights adjusted for those light loads. They're shooting so low. So both of those went probably 10 inches over the top of that target. Let's try that again. You can hear the difference though in the report. All right, let's try this. Oh yeah. Still a little high. I had to aim that first one at the very bottom, about 6 inches low. Yeah, buddy. A fun little rifle. That's the problem that I find this with my 223 or my 5.56 rifle, my bolt action. The versatility is definitely there, but you have to keep that in mind when you vary your loads. That your sights at longer ranges, anyways, definitely your sights are, your point of impact is going to change, especially at these longer ranges. From previous experience with this rifle, just a little bit that I have shot it, I know that this 357 load actually shoots pretty dang flat. So I'm going to work up some more hand loads in a hotter load and play around with it some more. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. And these 158s, like I said, that they actually shoot pretty dang flat out of this 20-inch barrel. So, all right. All right. Last couple of rounds. 125 grain powder coated, 3 grains of Trail Boss. About 85 yards, I think, from here. This thing's too much fun. Definitely a lot of fun. Well, a little bit of wind here. Up. Don't want to be losing these casings. Can't hardly find them. Ping! I don't know what's louder, the rifle going off or actually hitting the steel. Oh, was that the last? I think that's it. I think I'm out. Yep, that's it. What a load of fun. Excellent. I think before I go, I'm going to zero this for these 158, seeing as how this would be what I'd use in case. That was 95. That's 60. Yeah, buddy. This thing's good to go, man. Definitely a fun little rifle. And it rocks that heavy plate pretty good.